What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We're doing something different today. We're going on a photo shoot. We're shooting Crystal Gore's oval, the best of show winner from the bug-in that we just had at Extreme Raceway. They came all the way down from Longview for the Top Notch, which is also Top Notch night tonight, so we're gonna have tons of fun. We're gonna go shoot that car for the magazine real quick and make a little video for the other YouTube channel, and then hit Top Notch and get some photos there. So I thought, what better way to make a video than to make a video of making a video. Sean's back there behind me. He's driving his bus just to get at the Top Notch, but I guess we'll just park it somewhere. So here we go. We're on the road. We're headed to the super top secret photo spot, and I think Blaine and Crystal are going to meet us down there. So let's go. Alright, we made it. We are at the super top secret photo video spot, and we're here with Blaine and Crystal.
Hi, how are you?
And this is their car, and this is Sean. You know Sean. Hey. Remember Sean?
How you doing?
There's Sean. So this car is pretty sweet. It's an oval rag. It's got trophies. They just finished it recently. It is super shiny black. Look at that. Super nice inside. So anyways, we're gonna make a video about the video, and Sean's gonna film me, and we'll get to see all this car on the other channel. So let me give the camera to Sean. So we put the camera on the back of Sean's bus, and we're gonna get some follow me shots going down the road here. It's all part of the shoot, the magic. So you're lucky you get to see the magic. Are you ready?
Jason's a magician.
You ready, Sean?
I'm ready.
You guys ready? All right, let's do it. was the follow me. Now we're gonna do the I'll follow you shot. So hopefully Sean can keep the camera straight because it's on the front of his bay. All right, here we go.
My apologies. All right, let's go.
All right, look, we're at Top Notch. We made it, and they made it. A dream come true, right?
Yes.
It's like Disneyland for you guys. So how was it?
It's great.
It was great.
It's great.
Your first photo shoot. Very exciting.
Yes, very exciting.
Came all the way down from where?
Hallsville.
It's way north, right? Northeast.
4.5 hours.
4.5 hours by regular car.
Yeah.
Just to get to Top Notch for a cheeseburger. What are you gonna do? That's crazy. So the car looks good, and everybody seems to be enjoying it. I enjoyed it. It was fun to shoot.
Right.
And you know, now we get to go eat a burger and drive around Austin at night, which is pretty. It'll be lots of fun. Hopefully no one gets in your car. Tell me what happened last night.
Somebody got in the car while it was on the trailer. We got it this morning. There were shoe prints in the seats.
Shoe prints on the seats.
Yes.
Some people just have no courtesy, right? Couldn't even wipe their feet prints off.
No, I mean, seriously.
That's terrible. All right, well, you guys get your food when it comes out and enjoy it, and enjoy the Top Notch adventure, and we'll go for a ride later, and we'll get some better lighting and drive around.
Sounds great.
Awesome. One, two, three, go! What?
Oh no, there's a car!
Obstacle! All right, so we're gonna do the interview portion of this now. We're gonna go shoot the interview in the weird van that Alice is letting us use as like a sound booth. You guys ready to go do the interview?
Ready?
You ready? You got all your answers thought of?
Yes.
You can be very lively and
Oh, yeah.
invigorated.
Very invigorated.
All right, all right, we're gonna go shoot the interview part. Oof, look at all them Volkswagens. All right, so it's yeah, we're getting ready to take off. It's getting cold and getting dark. So check us out on the Teespring. Get you a T-shirt. Check out our friends, Volks America, Volksmania, and VWradio.com. I'm wearing your shirt, Vic. And yeah, Vic Whitehouse. I think they're looking for DJs, so if you see this around the time that it's coming out, go to VWradio.com if you have an interest in being a DJ on their station. They got all the stuff for you there on that. And then yeah, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
There you go.